Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here today, I want to say big thank you to you, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So I'm just going to give you a few seconds to push that red subscribe button down below, and also press the notification bell so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video if you're not subscribed yet. So today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do a box braid. I'm going to be explaining in this video on how to grip from the root when you're going to do a box braid. So I'm going to use my mannequin that I purchased about 2 months ago, and I'm going to use that to demonstrate to you guys. So I sectioned a part of the hair out that I wanted to braid, and you want to make sure that the ones that you're not going to be braiding, you want to put it in a bun, or you want to use a pin to hold it down, especially if you are a beginner. And I'm going to take my extension and I'm going to start to braid. And the extension I'm going to be using today is the expression braiding hair, and I'm going to show you guys two methods that I use to hold my extension. So the first method is I take the expression, separate them into two, and lap them and separate them again, as you can see in this video. And the second method, which is my favorite, is the fastest for me, is I just take an extension, hold it at one side, and I'm just going to like if you can see the demonstration, hold it with one hand and use the other hand to separate it, and then put my finger in between and start controlling. That is my favorite way of holding extension. I think it's faster, it looks cleaner, and for me, so that is the second method. So I'm just going to go ahead and place my hand in between the part that I section out, and I'm going to attach the left side to the left hair, and I'm going to put my index finger in between, and my in between, use my index finger and my thumb to hold the other head hair, and I'm just going to start braiding. So that is how I hope I'm explaining this properly, guys. If not, you can just watch and you can see how easy and how fast you can learn to do a box braid. So for me, I would say if this is hard for you, watch it over and over and over again until you get it, and keep practicing. You can get a doll head like this. I got this on Amazon. It was not that expensive. It's very affordable, and you can use this to practice until you get the confidence to do it on somebody's hair, like your mom's hair, your sister's hair, or somebody that is close to you here. So that is all about this video, guys. I hope you like videos like this. I hope you subscribe, and please share these videos with your friends and family. Anyone who wants to learn how to braid or cornrow, I have a lot of videos like this, and let me know, give me a feedback. Was this easy for you to follow? Would you want to see more videos like this? So I'm going to let you guys go now, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, can't make